Okay, so welcome back. We were looking at quotients to a power, so now you got it number 3, and we go ahead, you can do that one. Okay, and we'll start talking about now the key concept of negative powers with quotients. Okay, so as we talked about before, we said, hey, if we have a negative exponent, it goes to the bottom and it becomes 1 over a squared. If we have 1 over b to the negative third, we can bring that up. The same thing as we go with quotients. If I have a, b, and let's say I had a negative 2 here, because what's going to happen is I'm going to have a to the negative second, as we've talked, and b to the negative second. This is going to transfer. The b is going to come up to the top and become a positive 2, and the a is going to go to the bottom to become a positive 2. So kind of taking these two problems and putting them together, you're going to get b squared over a squared. So now what we say is that we kind of have this property that we can do. If I have a over b, and that's being raised to the negative second, well, what I can do is I can rewrite this as the reciprocal, and it becomes the positive power. So it immediately changes. So I flip what's inside, and it becomes a positive 2. And then I would distribute like I would any other thing to get to that answer there. So basically I'm bypassing the simplify and then flip. I'm flipping and then simplifying in that way. So if we take a look, we can look at example or problem 4 here. And problem 4 is doing kind of just that. So two routes I can go. I can distribute the negative 3 through, or what I can do is I can rewrite this y to the 4th over 2x to the 6th, and now make that to the positive 3rd. Okay, so basically I'm getting rid of all the negative exponents right away in this particular problem. Now there's going to be different problems, but that gives me y to the 12th on top. On the bottom, don't forget this is 2 to the 1st, so that becomes 2 cubed, and 3 times 6, you get the 18. So I have y to the 12th over 2 cubed, which is 8, and then x to the 18th. And there's our answer for that particular problem. Again, you could go the other route, which would be to change this and make it 2 to the negative 3rd, x to the negative 18th, and y to the negative 12th. In either way, you're going to have to change it to that. So you're just going to have to flip everything around. Okay, so got it number 4. Go ahead and take that one, see how you do with it. Here are the keys to all those got it's. Example 2, got it number 3, and got it number 4. And that's it for this lesson. Okay, so that's part B, was kind of short. If you have any questions or you need a recap, go to the discussion board, rewatch the video, hit up on Twitter, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to address those or put out other small videos to try to help you out.